This is pre-calculus video on 5.6 powers of the same base. Right, the concept here is if the bases are the same, then you can set the exponents equal to each other. So for problem number 1 here, okay, on the left-hand side, the base is a 3. On the right-hand side, the base is a 9. So the bases are not the same. However, I can rewrite 9 as a power of 3 because 9 equals 3 times 3, or 9 is 3 squared. So I'm just going to bring down the left-hand side. The right-hand side I'm going to write as 3 squared to the power of 5x. Alright, and then on the right I'm going to use my exponent laws, and when I raise a power to a power, I multiply the exponents. So that becomes 3 to the power of 10x. Alright, so now my bases are the same. I can set the exponents equal to each other, and I just forget the bases. And that's going to let me solve for x. And then it's a simple linear equation. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And then divide by 9. That's the answer. X is 1/9. Next problem. Okay. So I've got a 3, a 9, and a 27 are my bases. And again, let's just rewrite them. So 9 is equal to 3 squared, which we already said. 27 is equal to 9 times 3, and 3 times 3. So 27 is 3 cubed. So just bring this one down. Okay. So the 9 now becomes 3 squared. And the 27 now becomes 3 cubed. All right, the red one can be simplified. Okay, by raising a power to a power, I multiply the exponents. So that's 3 to the power of 2x squared equals 3 to the power of 3. Okay, now these two, okay, are both of the same base. I can multiply those together, and the rule for multiplying them together is to add the exponents. So that becomes 3 to the power of 2x squared plus 5x. When I multiply two things, I add the exponents. All right, so now left-hand side, left and right-hand side both have the same base. So now I can just set the exponents equal to each other and get rid of the base. So that's 2x squared plus 5x equals 3. So now what I have is a quadratic equation. Let's set that equal to 0. Let's see if it's factorable. I'm looking for factors of -6 whose sum is positive 5. 6 and -1, so first times first is 2x to the second times 2x times x gives you your 2x to the second. Outer times outer is a 2 times a positive 3 to give me positive 6. Inner times inner is 1 times -1. And last times last is -3. Set my factors equal to 0. And solve both equations. Alright, so this one has 2 solutions. Alright, give the booklet a try.